Hello everyone, this is CA Kaushik Mukesh, and today I am here to say a very big thanks for all the CA Inter students and as well as for the CMA Inter students. And just now we crossed that 200 mark for the CA Inter direct access. Huge response. Just in 2 days we crossed the 200 limit, and that's just not my success, that's the success of all the students of getting the best classes for direct access at an affordable price for all the students. That's my dream always, to provide the direct access classes at the least cost possible. And moreover, I just wanted to confirm certain things and clarify certain doubts the students are getting regarding the direct access classes. Number one, with regard to the direct access is given through the app, and the app link will be given once you buy the class. Point number one. Point number two, 60 hours of the lectures I have already uploaded. Another 80 hours of the lectures are yet to be uploaded. Daily basis, 2 hours I will be uploading each and every chapter in such a way that clear understanding of each and every minutest of the details of direct access applicable for your examination will be covered. Definitely, I can give you one word. You listen to the 60 hours uploaded content. You can never see such a content with regard to income tax, that too for CA Inter. And that's my guarantee. Once you complete that 60 hours content, whatever I uploaded, this will be the first say you will have. Never I heard DT like this before. So, such a great quality. My expertise, whatever I have learned in the last 10 years, 11 years of my practice, and the books I read, thousands and thousands of pages of analysis that I make. So I kept my 100% effort into that, and the classes has come fantastically well. And in this regard, I just wanted to tell you certain things. Number one, I already said this app link will be available, through that you will watch the classes. Secondly, this is a 6 months validity classes, 6 months validity, and I will be extending free for 1 month. If really a student is in need, definitely a free extension of 1 month will be given. And next very important third point is regarding this DT lectures, whatever I uploaded, the income tax classes. With house property, I am starting the next coming 60 hours already uploaded. From 61st hour, this house property will start. Sequence I will tell you. First, I will cover house property. After covering house property, I will be starting with the clubbing provisions and set of carry forward, because there is a linking for me to do. But set of carry forward can be understood only if 2-3 aspects in PGBP are understood. PGBP and capital gain. What are those? Number one, depreciation concept. In depreciation, there is a concept called as a unabsorbed depreciation. Okay, so that unabsorbed depreciation concept, complete depreciation concept, okay, and capital gains, like depreciation impact, all these things I will first cover separately. Then I will go to set of carry forward. Next, clubbing provisions. Next, I will come back to capital gains, other sources. Then I will come to PGBP, finally into the salaries. This is the pattern in which I wanted to complete. Okay, means by the time I complete heads of income, you should know what will happen after computation of heads of income. Thus, the full clarity will be there. You will understand once we start. So first I am going to start with house property concept now. Okay, after house property, I will be starting with another area called as clubbing provisions and set of carry forward. Even before that, I will first explain what is the depreciation. Complete 40 pages analysis I make on depreciation, with the 30-35 problems also given in examination. Every minute detail in depreciation, along with scientific research in the depreciable assets, every single minute detail, all interconnections also covered. Third point, or the fourth point I wanted to convey, this particular, along with the DT, I also provided the free audit lectures at only just 1,000 rupees. Also the audit demo lectures are already available on my channel. Okay, and make a best use of his audit classes, because normally the classes are sold for around 6,000. I requested him personally to make it to 1,000 rupees, as that students at large will get benefited along with my classes as well. And Fortunately, the gentleman also accepted my request, and his classes are also available at a mere cost of 1,000. That too only for creating seriousness in you. Okay, we can also upload this free of cost, but the seriousness will never come. I know about it. Once something is paid and monetized, that seriousness will come to the student as well. Clear? So don't miss this great opportunity. Audit classes also will be available at 1,000 rupees, and I am personally recommending the class. Means you can believe me and you can take. That will be the best. Clear or not, everyone? That will be the best. So very nicely he will explain each and every standard in a basic English. He will explain. Okay, it's not even a tough English that he will use. Basic English in which you can understand at a slow pace, in which the audit has to be understood with the proper PowerPoint presentations, not normal stereotypic PowerPoint presentations. A very nice interactive way of dealing with the audit subject. Past exam questions, RTP, MTP, whatnot. You are separately purchasing audit, separately purchasing the workout batches. No need to buy anything. Everything fully loaded. 1,000 rupees it will be available. Also take the audit classes. I personally recommend. Definitely you will see a change in your understanding, like what you are doing with income tax. Because most of the students you have taken income tax, you already completed income tax, na? But still now you are learning income tax in a right way. Same way audit also will happen. Clear? Second, and that also over. Next, with regard to the direct tax. Okay, with regard to the direct tax, 200 admissions are completed. Okay, soon results will come. Definitely some students who couldn't make the group will definitely ask. Keeping them in my mind, we are extending it to another 200 students, and this offer will end on 10th of July. Okay, till 10th of July we are going to extend the same coupon. So even if it is beyond 200, you can freely take it. Okay, same 1,000 rupees will apply for both the DT as well as for audit. Later both will become 5,999. Next, very important thing, books. Since we are providing at the least cost, okay, as the least as possible we are providing, because it's an effort of 150 hours. Okay, we can commercialize it, we can do proper publicity and do, but DT is something which will be changing. Student also cannot afford to pay a lot of money on this particular area, because it will change every time. If they could not make the attempt, na, by any reason, if we could not pass because of any subject or because of DT, again spending on DT becomes a difficult task. That reason only we kept it at a least cost. Okay, so listen one thing. My point is, we are extending to another 200 students to provide the benefit. So please take that benefit once the results are out. If you are writing only group 2, you have to write group 1. For you can take. If you have written both but could not make by any reason, by God's grace, everyone should qualify. If by any reason if something happens, even in that case, you need not suffer much. This is the remedy available. That's what my intention. Tell. Next. So books. Actually, since we are putting at a least cost possible, I am not going to provide any kind of physical book in this regard, but I can provide you the PDF of whatever I am discussing. Okay, I will make it available in my Telegram channel. Clear? On my Telegram channel, problems what I do, I will put there. Topics what I am dealing, I will put there. Okay, whenever you want, you can have a PDF, and PDF encrypted form will also be kept in the app, such that whenever you are listening to the class, you can also open that notes and you can see. That I will give 100%. Okay, this is the next thing. So these are all certain things that I wanted to tell you, and thank you very much for believing. It's not about any commercial element involved in this. Okay, because merely we charged only just 1,000. It's not a commercial success, but it's a success of belief. It's a success of trust. It is a success of faith, because in this particular market, students, 200 students believing just in 2 days means that itself is an acid test for my reliability. So you proved that I am right always, and thank you very much. Okay, I'm really having a huge respect to the students. Please, that respect will become multifold if you pass CA Inter, come to CA Final. There we are having advanced financial management and income tax also there. We will rock like anything. All the very best for everyone. Thank you very much for all the trust and belief that you have kept on me. And don't miss to enroll for the audit classes as well. Take the full benefit of his class. Okay. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye bye.